So here's how we can send a PDF file in an email on an iPhone. Let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming videos like this one. Well, there are two approaches to send PDFs over email. Well, the first one is by locating the PDF at first, for example, and most likely in the Files app. So you're going to go there, locate the PDF, hold down on it and click on share, and from the sharing options you can obviously tap on the mail. As I said, it might be the Apple built-in mail client or even some third-party apps like Gmail or anything else that is available in your case, and that's how you can attach the PDF right away. The other possibility would be to open up the Mail app at first, start a new message, and you need to tap on the body of the actual message, because when you click on the subject, you don't have the paperclip icon, which is very important in this case, because we need to tap that, and we have the ability to attach the file right here. So when you click on attach file, it opens up the same file browser that we went through before. So you can attach the PDF exactly the same way. It's just a different order of the actions, but it does exactly the very same thing, because you can add the stuff there, obviously fill out the rest of the important information in the email, like the body and the recipient, the subject, and all of that. And you'll be able to send the PDF files in email on iPhone. So let me know if it worked. I really hope it did. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the future tutorials and similar videos like this one.